Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Dominic. I'm a registered clinical officer, and I know it is the beginning of the year and many of you have come up with new year resolutions and goals that you want to achieve by the end of this year. But have you ever come up with healthy goals that are going to be significant of your overall health? Watch until the end of this video as I've come up with goals that are going to be significant in your overall health. Thank you. Please watch this video, and please, if you like this video, hit that like button as it's going to help my videos. Thank you. And number 1, getting fit. Exercise and fitness is a highly desirable goal this year. In an England Journal's medicine study showed that each hour you spend engaged in exercise, you are rewarded with an additional hours of life.
There are many exercise activities you can get involved in. Say you can run a marathon, that's good for you. You have a great fitness base. Maybe instead of running 5 to 6 days per week, you can do some functional fitness activities. Functional means you can do something useful. These functions are the things that allow you to get done the things you need to do in order to eat and drink, have shelter, travel and such. Like you can walk or ride a bicycle to the store or rather brief errands instead of taking a car. Remember, repetition is important, so choosing activities that you enjoy doing will help you sustain your exercise regime. When choosing fitness, at least do something that cover all of the major components of fitness. That is strength, speed, endurance, agility, and flexibility. Make sure you don't neglect major muscle groups or motions.
Number 2, watch what you eat. You can find passionate advocates for just any kind of diet that you'll want to achieve this year.
Some say megadose vitamins are necessary and could prevent cancer, while others say a well-balanced diets are just fine without supplements. Look in any bookstore and you'll find a huge array of diet books, but still, as the year starts, is the time to find a healthy diet that you can follow. I can't pick one for you, so it's up to you to find out how to have a nutritional sound diet. From my viewpoint, working towards self-care dictates that you learn about diet and then make choices that you feel are best for yourself. Your doctor or nutritionist can direct you in the right direction.
Number 3, you can learn just simple healthy skills. These skills will prove to you that they are going to be helpful in terms of when there's a healthy crisis, for example, when you get a cut, when you find someone who has drowned.
Begin to acquire knowledge and skills in healthcare. It is entirely up to you to decide how deep and broad you want the skills to be. For some, knowing simple first aid and hygiene measures will do. Now, media tools like internet, YouTube have made acquisition of skills in self-care cheap and easily accessible without having to attend classes or pay for materials or instructions. Some skills you can learn that can be very helpful are airway control, mouth-to-mouth rescue breaths. You may learn CPR, or you can also learn suturing.
Number 4, get enough sleep. Do you think you got enough sleep this past week? 2/3 of adults throughout all developed nations fail to obtain the 8 recommended hours of nightly sleep.
You may be surprised by the consequences. Routinely sleeping less than 6 or 7 hours at night demolishes your immune system, more than doubling your risk of cancer. Insufficient sleep is a key factor determining whether or not you'll develop Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer is a neurodegenerative disorder marked by cognitive and behavioral impairment that significantly interferes with social and occupational functioning. It is an incurable disease with a long preclinical period and progressive course. Inadequate sleep, even moderate reduction for just 1 week, disrupts blood sugar levels so profoundly that you will be classified as pre-diabetic. Short sleeping increases the likelihood of your coronary artery becoming blocked and brittle, setting you on a path toward cardiovascular disease, stroke, and congestive heart failure. Sleep disruption further contributes to all major psychiatric conditions including depression, anxiety, and suicide. Perhaps you have also noticed a desire to eat more when you are tired. This is no coincidence. Too little sleep increases concentration of a hormone that makes you feel hungry while suppressing a companion hormone that otherwise signals food satisfaction. Despite being full, you still want to eat more. Add the health consequences that you have just talked about, and a proven link becomes easier to accept. The shorter you sleep, the shorter your lifespan. It is no coincidence that countries where sleep time has declined most dramatically over the past centuries, such as the US, the UK, Japan, and South Korea, and several Western Europe, are also suffering the greatest increase in rates of the mentioned physical diseases and mental disorders. The scientists have even started lobbying doctors to start prescribing sleep as a medical advice goes. 5. You can prepare by having an emergency medical fund. Nothing is good as being prepared in medical crisis. You can have an emergency account, or better, you can get into a national health insurance fund so that you can cover your medical bills very easily and receive quality medical services. Number 6. Drink a lot of water. Water is a key nutrient that most people ignore. Your body is about 70% water. Some physical and mental performance measures are worsened by dehydration. A 2 to 3% drop in body water makes you less attentive to details, and you will have to concentrate more and work harder on simple tasks. More importantly, though, is that people who are dehydrated feel more tired and less alert. Staying well dehydrated helps to prevent dental disease, constipation, kidney stones, and urinary tract infections. Remember, most of the determinants of health that we can affect ourselves are related to our lifestyle habits. Diet, exercise, rest. Genetics impact our health according to the nature of our biology structures, but we can do very little to change the impact of these on our health. Much as we are what we eat, we are also what we drink, smoke, or otherwise put in our body. Let's say that you enjoy more than occasional drink, or maybe you smoke a few cigarettes. I have only 2 words: quit now. These habits are a drag on your health.
Thank you for watching my video until the end. If you like this video, hit that like button, and it is really going to help my video get to many people. And you can also click that notification bell and get notified as soon as I post any video. See you soon.